be dreaming of Christmas with you. No, I won't miss this Christmas, and even if I do, I'll be dreaming of Christmas with you. I'll be spending this Christmas with you.